Right guys, so you joined me on another day. Basically what happened was we couldn't get the pressure washer to work, so I'm now doing it again. We sorted it on another day and now we're going to go and do it. So yes, enjoy the B-roll clips. No contact. Look at this. Right, so it has been snow foam now, so looking much better-ish. Still a lot of work to do. I'll take it around the front. Can't really see much, it's a bit dark around here, but it's gleaming a lot better than it did. So we will potentially go over it again. There's still some like dirt marks I just don't want to come off. I probably shouldn't have smudged it with my finger, but never mind. But it's looking much better as it than it did, and yeah, we'll probably go over it again with the snow foam, and then I'll kind of go around the car, wash it with a mitt glove, with a wash mitt glove thing, and then jet wash it down again, and then hopefully that'll be the car as clean as it can be. Yeah. Other than that, tyres looking much better than it did. Tyres were disgusting previously. Right, so we're going to use this mitt glove thing after I jet foam it, snow foam it again for the second time. We'll use this thing, but I think it's by Maguire's. I think that's the company that I bought it from, or I bought it from Halfords I think ages ago. And then we got the, this is the Auto Gleam Polar Blast stuff we're using. Bought it from Halfords as well, pretty decent stuff. And then we have the microfiber gloves, not gloves, can't even remember the word for them now. Towel things, yeah, towels, that'll do. That I'm going to use to dry it down a little bit, so hopefully this goes well. Smashing my car. That's through. Snow foam done. This mitt thing time. How much did you need out of this?
Literally the back. Probably didn't do a very good job either.
Right, mitt's been used. Time to get this thing now fully washed over quickly again with the jet wash before it jet wash before it all dries off. So hopefully it'll come out looking nice and sparkly. But I think there is a few tar bits that probably are not going to come off. But we'll give it a go. Right, just nipped in to quickly go and get a drink because I'm thirsty and I needed to go and grab the camera from Ment. But we need to go and wipe the car down now because it's pretty much done. We just need to give it a wash down with the microfiber cloths. That's what I was looking for, the cloths. That is what I kept calling a towel earlier because I'm stupid. I'm not stupid, I just forget things. Don't know, Ment.
You're stupid.
I'm stupid. Never mind. So yeah, I can get this cleaned up. I'll choose a green one. good though. As you can see, there's loads of little tar bits still that just will not come off, so we need to give it a proper clean after lockdown is finished. But I'll crack on with this and show you the finished results.
Yep. Oh, Bonnie's paw prints. Poochie!
What's that?
I said Poochie. Hello. Hello.
Some of the bits I can get.
Hi. Pretty doggies. You're hungry. You want your DINNER, don't you?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, well, the potatoes have just gone in, so... Shitter, can't use that.
So this is all the tar that we just can't get off. Got to scratch it off, and even then it's not fun to try and remove. I don't think I'm an expert car cleaner, but
Yeah, there's
it
quite
says
a lot. I don't know
lot
if
of
they
tar.
can...
No, there's a lot, yeah, some people might be able to see it, but there's a lot of tar that needs to come off. So it needs to probably get a clay bar or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, tar mitt, I don't know. And there's a mitt that can get all the black bits off, but other than that, I think it looks good. Better than it did. What do you think?
It looks a lot better than it did. It was covered in what looked like a Saharan dust.
Yeah. That's because we live in a building site, mate.
I don't know. But they're not even building though.
No, because I take a lot of country roads to work. Other than that,
Milo, don't eat that.
that'll dry off nicely and be alright. Right, so we're finished now. The car's just going to dry off for its last few bits, but it's looking much shinier than it did. There's some obviously muck that just dries up and obviously didn't get to quick enough, but I'm not a professional car cleaner. I don't profess to be, but you know, it's all trial and error, so learn well for next time. But yeah, it looked much better than it did. It looked awful before. It's looking nice and sparkly again, even in the darkness over here. But I think overall it's just, yeah, it looks good to me. I just can't wait to get it back on the road. It needs a drive out, big time. So, that's finished. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It was more of a kind of like throw together content, just so you guys have something to see on the RS while it's just sat underneath the carport doing nothing. Being started on the odd occasion, once a week, once or twice a week, to keep the battery going and yeah, make sure things are alright. I probably should take it out for a little trip, maybe to Tesco's, you know, because that's the only place I can take it right now, or to the BP garage. I don't know.
Won't go to Tesco.
Apparently not go to Tesco.
They scratched my car.
They scratched Amanda's car. Well, I'm not talking about taking it to a car wash there.
Oh.
I was talking about going for a drive. But anyway, yeah, so I washed the car, it took a little while, but you know, it's something to do on Easter Sunday, and yeah, it was fun. It was actually quite therapeutic, but also annoying, because the issue with the Karcher thing is that it just gets stuck all the time, and the wire hose thing just gets bent all the time and kinked, and it's really annoying to try and use. So yeah, maybe I'd just leave it up to my good friend Connor to look after the car. Yes. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the content. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment down below what you're doing over Easter and during the lockdown period with your cars, or what you're just doing in general. And I will catch you next time. So yeah, leave a massive like rating, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, which means you get notified when I go live on my channel and when I get new content uploaded, and you'll be the first people to know. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, I will catch you next time. Peace.